Hi guys, refreshing tropical pineapple in a simple coconut chutney. Today we are making Goan Ansachi Karam. This is a sweet and spicy no-cook dish. Select a fresh and ripe pineapple. We are going to discard the stem and then cut it into two halves. Cut each half further into two parts. We are now going to discard the core. The core is the hard part of the pineapple. Now run the knife along the surface so as to separate the skin. Discard any hard parts as they can make your mouth really sore. Now slice the pineapple. Further, cut the pineapple into smaller size pieces. This is what we need. I got about 3 cups of pineapple. The 3 cups mentioned here are US standard size. Now dry roast half a teaspoon of mustard without using any oil until the color changes. Do not burn the seeds as the mustard can get really bitter. Once the color changes, switch off the flame and let it cool. We are going to grind 1 cup of coconut along with salt and chili powder to taste with very little water so as to make a dry paste. Do not add the mustard seeds at this point because the paste can get bitter. Look, this is how the paste should be, very dry. Now add the mustard seeds and pulse grind it for a second. The mustard seeds will be like coarse bits in the paste. Now add about 2 teaspoons of jaggery. The amount of jaggery can vary based on your preference level. Give this mixture a good stir and set it aside until serving time. When it's time to serve, add the paste and give it a good stir so as to coat the pineapple pieces. We are doing this so as to prevent the pineapple from releasing water on application of salt. Serve this tropical dish at room temperature or even slightly chilled. If you like this recipe, please let me know in the comment section. Also let me know if you have any specific recipe request. Stay fit, stay happy. Until next time, take care.